Oh yeah, it's running. So, hello. It gets confusing what day it is, and then when I see the thumbnail, I'm never sure because I wear the same hats all the time. Anyway, it's another day. I survived Wednesday. It was terrible, but at least I have security. I don't know how secure this is, though, that I'm not the only one who had difficulties with that lab report. Pretty much no one knew what they were doing. Like, the questions are kind of vague, it's not directly in the lab report, not the lab report, the handout. And some of the things we cover in lab, we don't cover in lecture, so you never know what's going on. And I'm just doing a quick vlog before I get some food before seeing that speaker, because it is in fact tonight, not yesterday. Now you might say, Jessica, why are you going to go see the speaker when you have a chemistry exam tomorrow that you need to study for? And I discovered that the chemistry exam is only one short answer and like 8 multiple choice. And I feel pretty good about it right now, though. The homework trips me up because the homework is nothing like what we do in class. And he doesn't make it himself. So I wanted to show you something that I had to do this morning because my cargo pants that I love so dearly lost a button. Like, I barely touched it. But I didn't have any safety pins, and that's a pain anyway. It's a pin anyway. But okay, so there's a reason I'm showing you my pants down there. That is 2 carabiner clips and a rubber band holding my trousers up. It's very good. I had these from 2 water bottles because I lost the first water bottle. I had taken the clip off before I lost it, and I got another one of those water bottles. So I had the carabiner clips, and I had a band that I happened to have in my purse that I took with me when I moved out. So that so I'm like, oh, I can do a thing. So that's pretty cool that I can think of that. And it'll have to suffice for now until I can find someone who can show and fix my button, because this is kind of inconvenient. I don't know where the button is right now, though. I know I still have it. I don't know where it is. So I decided that each vlog I want to teach you something I learned today, because it helps me understand it if I explain it, and also if I can think of the interesting things. So for biology, I didn't have biology today, but I had to do the reading for tomorrow, and we continued learning about meiosis, because the sections is usually divided in half. Like we'll do half of chapter 13 and then the other half another day. And something very interesting is with the amount of chromosome combinations and the different things that can happen, like there's crossing over, where 2 chromosomes, one from your mom, one from your dad, cross over, and then they and alleles get left from the other one, and how they kind of randomly form together, meaning there are millions upon millions of combinations of how your genes could have turned out. And that's pretty cool. Like, your existence is not impossible, however, it is also very unlikely. And that just means you definitely exist, I'm telling you that now. But it just means that your existence is who you are now as a person is really, really unlikely. And that's from Welcome to Night Vale, by the way. I did not come up with that on my own. It's one of my favorite quotes from it. And I think that's just so cool that there are these millions of possibilities for what your DNA could be like, to make the person you came out to be. Because this is what I learned a while ago. I used to be a huge proponent of the nurture side of nature versus nurture, but now it's like, oh, both are equally important to that debate. So I get that now. And in psychology, we're learning about thinking, and I love thinking about this kind of stuff. Like, why do people think? Where does language come from? That's my thing. Like, if med lab doesn't pan out, maybe I'll look into psychology. Yeah, I've always been really fascinated by that. It's just all the stuff with the parts of the brain that do different things. That's why I get tripped up. It's more like the social concepts. I don't really have any other news right now. I only have some homework to do. I have to fill out this table about meiosis for bio tomorrow, and then studying chemistry. I gotta learn the solubility rules and the oxidation rules and all these rules. I managed to go on Tumblr for a little bit today. So I was getting my hand to break. There was a lot to write. the bio reading today. Woo! Something else happened, but I don't remember what. I feel like I had something else to share. I accidentally uploaded a video twice because I don't wait. Because if it doesn't show up, because I thought it would show up even if it's processing, just if a user clicked the video, but I'll have to take that down later because I can't get onto my YouTube account on my phone. I have to wait till I get on my desktop. Because I'm logged into it only on Firefox, because Gmail is stupid and it won't let me change my old Hotmail account on YouTube to my new Gmail account. I have to make a whole new account, and I don't want to do that right now or in the future. So, I'm gonna get food, hopefully, get your speaker, and go and do work. Yeah, gonna be fun evening in a bio lab tomorrow. It'll be the first time you'll get to hear me gripe about bio lab. Well, I probably griped about it before, but griped about it like directly coming out of it. So, farewell, have a good evening, night, morning, time zone. Have a good time zone, everybody. I'm gonna go with at least 2 of you, because at least 2 people see these. And that will include everyone else beyond that. Bye.